Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
The most iconic dish is Rasgulla, the sweet meat, and it is a pride of Bengal. Can we make it in a very simpler manner so that everyone can relish it? Yes, it is possible. It's a humble attempt to make the iconic dish in a cooker. We are going to learn today cooker Rasgulla. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making cooker Rasgulla. The crux is you need to get malai paneer. Normal paneer won't be tasty. You need to get malai paneer and then you need to get milk powder. These two put together is what is going to form the base. I am going to grate the malai paneer and I am using the smaller slice so that you will get small shreds and kneading will be easier. I am going to add the milk powder which will act as a binder. This is a very simple recipe. That's why you are using paneer and not the curdled milk. That takes time. So this is a much simpler process. I have mixed them together. Now I am going to knead it. Gently kneading it, and I am not breaking the aerated portion. It's very important. If you break it, the sponge consistency won't come. You can watch me as to how I'm going to roll them into small balls. Before that, I'm going to make the sugar syrup ready. I'm adding sugar with 4 cups of water and giving it a nice boil. Always sugar and the malai paneer, the proportion is same, 200 grams for 200 grams. You can see the way I am pinching. I have taken a fat pinch that I am gently rolling and I am not breaking the oxidized portion so that the sponge consistency it's not spoiled. The key for soft rasgullas. Gently rolling it. As soon as you add it in the cooker, it will increase in size further. It won't crumble or break. Gently roll it. No pressure whatsoever. I've come to the last roll. I've completed the whole process now. If you see, I've gently rolled them. I'll show you a close-up shot also as to how it looks. See the smooth finish. So this is how we need to roll. The sugar is getting boiled now here and totally dissolved, and it is hot enough for us to dunk the rasgullas inside it. Ensure that you drop it one by one and not everything together. If you do so, it will crumble or break. Add one, wait for a few seconds, then add the next. I'm going to close the lid now and wait for one whistle. Only one whistle is sufficient. Then 7 to 8 minutes of simmering the stove. After 7 minutes, switch it off. Next comes the most important tip, putting the cooker itself in cold water. If you see here, we are immediately cooling it so that we'll be able to release the lid faster and cool the rasgullas quickly. The reason is the aerated rasgullas, once it is too hot, if you leave it for a while, it will shrink. We don't want that to happen. That's why this tip is very, very important. Don't forget it. If it's a cold water with ice cubes, it will be even more better. After cooling it completely, this is how it looks, and it will look like a traditional rasgulla. I hope you would love this quick recipe in a jiffy rasgulla and give me your feedback. Until we meet again, you can always follow me in all the other social media. Happy Deepawali once again.